DNA polymerase I in Escherichia coli is a remarkable enzyme that plays a vital role in DNA replication, repair, and recombination processes. With its 5'3" DNA polymerase, 3'5" proofreading exonuclease, and 5'3" exonuclease activities, this 103 kDa protein is a true multitasker. It is involved in removing RNA primers and filling in gaps during lagging strand DNA replication, as well as in DNA repair and recombination events. Being the most abundant DNA polymerase in E.coli, it competes with other polymerases at the replication fork by interacting with the β-processivity clamp. Discovered by Arthur Kornberg in 1956, DNA polymerase I is the first DNA polymerase ever identified, and its gene, polA, encodes for this enzyme. Its high-fidelity nature and versatility make it a popular tool in molecular biology research, particularly in the form of the Klenow fragment, which lacks the 5'3" exonuclease activity. Overall, DNA polymerase I is a key player in maintaining the integrity of the bacterial genome, ensuring accurate replication and efficient repair mechanisms.
By providing more than 7,000 high-quality products and services, SBS GeneTech has empowered researchers in over 60 countries, resulting in over 4,500 publications in prestigious journals such as Science, Cell, and Cell Metabolism. From China, for the world, for superior biology services since 2000.